1972 Chevrolet Nova here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Rebuilt 350 V8 with a 4-bolt main underneath the hood. That's paired up with an automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic 350 to be exact. Nicely equipped with power steering, power brakes. As you can see, cowl induction hood. Let's take a look at this front chrome on the bumper. Bright work up front, built style grille. Still pictures on this one if you want to see the undersides, interior, engine bay, trunk. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you to our website. And of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. It's riding on Legend Series 5-spoke wheels, radial tires, Uniroyals, and as you can see behind there, disc brakes up front. Now, speaking of rims and tires, those were new in 2025, and in just a bit I'm going to go through a bunch of other items that are new in this car in 2025. There are a few blemishes in the paint. I'll kind of try to point some of those out as we go. Again, nothing major. Paint has a nice shine to it, as you can see. Good looking car. Going to turn heads. Sounds good, looks good. Let's go ahead and take a look down the rest of this passenger side. Kind of a cardinal red, I guess I'd call it, with that Rally Nova stripe. Black interior, bucket seats, B&M shifter, aftermarket gauge cluster underneath the dash, retro sound style radio. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run in just a bit. Little spot there. All right, get a good look from the rear to the front in this one. Chrome in the rear bumper. All right, now for those new items in 2025. I mentioned the tires and wheels. Battery also. Single wire alternator. Wheel cylinders. Plugs and wires. Cap and rotor. Carbon fuel pump. Valve covers. Air cleaner. And it does have a complete exhaust. Front to rear. Technician did note slight powertrain seep. Nothing out of the ordinary for a car that's driven. And this one, turn the key in, get in it, go have some fun. I don't know if you can see that one, just a little bit of a scuff. Let's take a look down this driver's side from the rear to the front. If you like Novas, maybe Chevys in general, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you'll see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily. When these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase, and that can be done either online or right off our showroom floor. And of course, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And as you can see, paint has a nice shine to it on the driver's side over here. Take a little closer look at this interior. By the way, it does have traction bars. You'll be able to see those in the still pictures on the underside and from the profile pic of the car. All right, door panel, black door panel as you can see. Black vinyl bucket seats. It's like newer carpet. Seat belts intact, front and rear. Aftermarket tack on the steering column. I did have the horn work, wipers work. Let's fire it up. Electric fuel pump, electric fan. Take a peek at the top of the dash. And again, rebuilt 350 V8 4-bolt main. Give you a good look at the aftermarket gauges. That was a cold start, so I wouldn't expect that temp gauge to be up. Take a peek at the headliner. That's looking good. 6x9s on the rear deck. Door closes nicely, and take a listen. Sounds good. A little rumble coming out of that V8. All right, let me slip up to the front. Let's get this hood popped. Check out the engine bay. Stick around to the very end. Jason's going to take it for a drive, show you how this one goes down the road. There's a good look underneath the cowl induction hood. And just so you know, it does have an Edelbrock AVS2 4-barrel on it, HDI ignition. Good looking engine bay. Aluminum radiator. There is a battery disconnect for when it is in storage or in between drives. Headers. '72 Chevrolet Nova. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1972 Chevrolet Nova, red and black. A little bit of wood grain on the doors. This is an automatic right here, B&M shifter. You can put it down in one and bump it up if you'd like to do some drag racing. Our turn signal indicators are working. Great sound coming out of the back end of this car. Good acceleration. Our tachometer mounted to the column is working. Speedometer working. The fuel gauge is showing about 1/4 of a tank. Under the dash we have gauges by Bosch. For the oil PSI, it's about 60, 55 to 60 PSI. And the battery is charging at about 13 volts on the gauge. The temperature 190. We have a radio mounted in the dash. As you can see, wipers also working on this car. Factory style bucket seats. Comfortable position to sit. Brakes are working well. A little bit undersized steering wheel, aftermarket, that actually is real easy to steer. We got good power steering in this car. Corners nicely. There's that kick down, and you can feel the torque. It likes to take off when you push your pedal. Very fun. 1972 Chevy Nova, tweaked just a little bit for fun. Take a look at all the pictures at UniqueClassicCars.com.